A book has 50 pages. Each page has 7 stickers. How many stickers are there in the book? The information given in the question is that a book has 50 pages and that each page has 7 stickers. It needs to be figured out in total how many stickers are in the book. As there are 50 pages and each page has 7 stickers, so this is like 50 groups of 7 stickers. Total number of stickers in the book can be represented as 50 times 7. 50 times 7, that is 50 multiplied by 7, is equal to 350. To calculate 50 multiplied by 7, if it makes it easier, 50 can be considered as 10 times 5. The calculation then becomes 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35 and 10 multiplied by 35 is 350. So there are 350 stickers in the book.